Our story begins in the modest Karelian village of Wärtsilä. It's 1834, and a small sawmill is built by the rapids there. In the mid-1800s, the Finnish Senate encourages entrepreneurs to build more ironworks. The Finnish industrialist and owner of the Wärtsilä sawmill, Niels Ludvig Arpe, gets a license to build 2 blast furnaces to Wärtsilä and turns the sawmill into an ironworks. In the mid-1920s, the company is in financial trouble due to the loss of the collapsed Soviet-Russian market, and the company's board appoints Wilhelm Wallfors, a young corporate restructurer, as president. Wallfors develops Wärtsilä into a multi-sector company and acquires big shipyards in its home country Finland, challenged by Arctic conditions concerning both materials, industrial processes and power needs. He also anticipates the escalating threat of war in Europe and buys several domestic engineering works. These turn out to be useful during World War II, manufacturing ammunition, paper machines and other metal products. When Finland, after the war, is forced to pay considerable war reparations to the Soviet Union, Wärtsilä becomes the biggest supplier of items from the Finnish side. By the end of the 1940s, Wärtsilä is the biggest industrial company in Finland, with over 11,000 employees.
Jag döper dig till Nordic Prince.
In addition to its licensed manufacture of diesel engines, Wärtsilä soon starts to develop its own engines. And in 1959, the company's first diesel engine is powered up at the Vaasa plant on the Finnish west coast. During the 70s, Wärtsilä invests heavily in diesel engine technology. The Vaasa laboratory manages to run diesel engines with inexpensive heavy fuel. This turns out to be a milestone for the ship engine industry. The company's marine engine know-how takes a strong step also ashore by expanding its diesel engine production into entire power plants. A crisis in the global marine industry forces Wärtsilä to close down its shipbuilding yard, Wärtsilä Marine, in 1989 and withdraw from the traditional shipbuilding industry. Wärtsilä now starts to focus more on power solutions and sells some of its smaller business groups. In 1997, Wärtsilä's engine selection grows with the acquisition of Sulza Diesel, a renowned Swiss maker of low-speed diesel engines. In one move, Wärtsilä becomes a world leader in ship engines. As the world enters a new millennium, Wärtsilä increases its volume in marine diesels by acquiring various component manufacturers. Wärtsilä can now supply a ship's entire engine room, with both engines and power transmission systems. The company also expands into ship design. Shipbuilding has moved increasingly to Asia. This requires both a physical and mental presence in this part of the world for Wärtsilä and its key people. Within 10 years, Wärtsilä establishes several joint ventures in China in the area of marine engines. Maintenance of ships and power plants has become the largest business area for Wärtsilä. This deepens the ties to clients and brings added stability to the business. The increasing global environmental awareness changes the need of energy efficiency, affecting the way Wärtsilä's customers operate. Today, Wärtsilä helps customers on land and sea to minimize their emissions. After several years of development, the engines manufactured by Wärtsilä, both for power plants and marine industry, are the most efficient in the world. Wärtsilä has broadened its capabilities to to provide technology and services to the marine, oil and gas industrial sectors by acquiring companies such as British-headquartered Hamworthy and Germany-based Marine Systems International. With award-winning technology and solutions, Wärtsilä redefines efficiency for its customers. Today, 1 in 3 of the world's ships runs with Wärtsilä technology. With Wärtsilä digital solutions, customers can optimize their assets in real time, as Wärtsilä is able to predict maintenance needs and provide hands-on support remotely across the globe. In close to 200 years, Wärtsilä has grown from a simple sawmill into a global leader in advanced technologies and complete life cycle solutions, shaping the marine and energy markets.